I planted potatoes in my closet. What followed altered my life. It all started with a bet over something absurd. Can you actually grow potatoes in a bucket inside an apartment? My roommate and I were disagreeing. He chuckled. Potatoes need a farm, bro. Dirt, sunlight, real estate. Challenge accepted. From my unsuccessful herb garden, I grabbed a bucket, a few sprouted potatoes from the pantry, and some potting soil discovered beneath the sink. 3 months later, I gathered 2.5 kilograms of homemade potatoes from that one bucket in a shadowy corner of my closet. That one instant developed into a full-fledged mania. Whether you live in an apartment, a suburban house, or perhaps a van, I am now presenting 5 strong methods you can grow your own potatoes. But hang around, one technique will stunt you, and you could make your neighbors believe you are really impressive. And should you ever ponder questions such as, how long do potatoes require to grow? Or how do potatoes even grow? You belong here. Let's start on this. Method 1. The closet bucket hack. Here's what you need. 1 foot-safe bucket is great for 5 gallons. Bottom drill holes, potting soil blended with Cosmo, 23 seed potatoes or sprouting ones from your kitchen. Steps. Number 1. Incorporate 4 inches of earth. 2. Eyes pointing up, plant potatoes 4 inches deep. 3. Cover with 3 inches of soil. 4. Continue covering with more soil as the green shoots grow until the bucket is full. How long do potatoes require to grow? Depending on the kind and care, 70 to 100 days. Have you ever attempted to grow something inside? Was it a victory or it was a disaster? Share your experience and comments below. Method 2. Best for apartment doers, the reusable grocery bag approach. Yes, those reusable shopping bags can double as potato planters. They often have excellent drainage already and are breathable and flexible. Steps. 1. Optional lining of the inside with newspaper. 2. Add 4 to 5 inches of soil. 3. Plant your half potato pieces with ice. 4. Water frequently. 5. Rip the plant when it turns yellow and withers back. You will obtain 1 to 2 pounds per plant. And the best feature is, just leave the bag and dump it, no digging needed. Would you give one of your grocery bags for potatoes? Or is that crossing a border? Comments below. Method 3. Stylish and productive, the container garden power move. For individuals who want a beautiful plateau garden without compromising output, this one is meant for you. Acquire a huge container, at least 18 inches deep. Wine barrels, elevated grow bags, even storage. Notes are excellent option. Important advice. Drill holes if necessary. Drain everything. Stages of work. 1. Earth should fill bottom third. 2. Put seed potatoes about 6 inches deep. 3. As plants rise tall, add more soil. 4. Keep in full sun, water regularly. The green leafy tops potato plant can even bloom. And yes, potato develop underground, which explain why you keep healing. Inspire us below with your dream container garden arrangement. Wine barrels, simple metal tubs, or rusty wooden crates. Method 4. Sweet potato vines in a water jar. Sweet potatoes grows from slips, not seed potatoes. Unlike to standard potatoes, you can actually raise them from a sweet potato purchased at the grocery. Steps 1. Suspend a sweet potato over a jar of water by inserting 3 toothpicks. 2. Set it near a sunny window. 3. Slips or sprouts will start to rise from the top in 1 to 2 weeks. 4. Twist off slicks and place them in soil. Bonus, the vine is beautiful. It is currently a popular indoor plant. Would you raise sweet potato vines only for decorative values? Yes or no? Method 5. The experiment with trash can. Potatoes. How to raise potatoes in a pot. This is the turnaround I promise. To grow up to 20 pounds of potatoes, some urban gardeners are using used trash can. It enables vertical growth, keeps heat. Steps 1. Drill holes in the bottom and lower sides. Fill with layers of straws. Soil. 3. Include seed potatoes at varying heights every 6 inches. 4. Heal them as they mature. When should one plant potatoes? Early spring is the best. However, in more temperature areas, you may grow in late summer for a winter harvest. Would you eat potatoes grown in a trash can? And if you do, what will be your you? Last thoughts. Why you should give this try today? Potatoes grow by many ways. From buried tubers, they send shoots up and roots down. 10 potatoes can grow from one potato given appropriate care and patience. How best to plant potatoes? Make sure you're using sprouted or healthy seed potatoes. Never eat green potatoes, they can be poison. Water regularly, but don't overdo it. Wet soil kills roots. Harvest typically 70 to 120 days when plants yellow and fade back. Potatoes are forgiving, fast-growing, and very enjoyable to gather even without space or experience. Something about baking your own food affect otherwise. It's your time now. You're halfway there. A bucket, a bag, a window. Try one of these techniques and let us know which one. Have you ever planted potatoes? What shocked you the most? What strange container have you ever raised in it? Let us know.